the clinical utility of today is obviously very important, and being able to intervene early, irrespective of whether it's pharmacotherapy or some other intervention. I think that's a no-brainer, and that's something that we can do today. But I think GeneDx sounds like you are in a very important place for some of the illnesses where maybe there isn't a pure intervention today. I'm thinking autism, for example. There's a lot of research ongoing, but trying to figure out causation, trying to figure out how does that translate into treatment. I mean, we're still early days around that. Do you find yourselves as sort of, trying to figure this out along the way? You must have quite a few gene sequences on your hands, and be able to help sort of drive that research forward. Is that a focus for GeneDx at all?
Yeah, I would say, as I mentioned, today we have sequenced over 850,000 individuals using exome or genome sequencing. And so we do have a really enriched data set for patients with these ultra rare diseases. And rare diseases, autism, it's several hundred genes we know are linked with autism and can cause, various forms of autism with or without additional symptoms. And so we have the ability to partner with, biopharma partners that are interested in developing treatments for patients with, ultra rare diseases, help them identify patients, help patients learn and families learn about clinical trials that are available, right? And I think we have a really unique opportunity with all of the data that we have to help these companies and just help the healthcare ecosystem to develop better treatments, right? Because the first step is diagnosing, right? And knowing who the patients are, and then we can better learn about their disease progression. What's the natural state of disease progression? What other symptoms they develop? Yeah, and then learn more about the pathways that are involved.